Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing something, should I say, unusual, because if you know me and maybe you've watched some of my videos, you probably heard that I dislike cooking. Like, I don't like it at all. I love food, I love to eat, but when it comes to cooking I don't like it. But today I'm making pasta and I decided to, make it a vlog. Let me challenge myself to doing things that I don't really enjoy. So yes, I'm going to be making pasta, spaghetti. So I'm making jollof spaghetti and we're going to be making it together. As you can see, I came prepared, with my bobo and stuff. So before we start, this is a disclaimer to all the Asabi cook. This is how you should do it. You should do this first before you do this first. This is the right way. Please. I'm just cooking what I know how to cook and what I know that I can eat. So I'm going to be calling this recipe a low budget recipe. Well, nothing is exactly low budget again in this our country, but you can just mix sharp and eat and you have a good meal. What we are doing first is putting the pasta to boil. We're going to parboil the pasta. So I put the water to boil according to my sister-in-law. She's going to watch this video and she's going to catch her soul. Here's the pasta. So as I'm leaving that to parboil, I am going to grate this. This is good to go, so I'm just going to pour it in a sieve. Just put this one here. Do you guys think this is too much for one spaghetti? Put the gas on low heat, by the way. Just pour this in. Tomato mix. Something I like this thing for is that it will make the dough very red. But I love to cook anything. Sometimes I feel like maybe you're pretending because I'm not okay as it seems. So I'm also using this guy to cook. So I'm going to pour the oil now. So here is the paste. I finished frying it and I've added spice. I added Maggi, salt, curry, and I'm going to also add this garlic powder. I'm going to add 2 of these sardines. 2. First of all, because this thing has been frying for such a long time, this water should be enough to cook the spaghetti. I'm just going to cover it and let it boil for some time. We're pouring the spaghetti into this. Spaghetti has been waiting for me all day. Oh yes, come in. I banned them from the kitchen because when I'm in the kitchen, it's about to be lit. Litty. She said now we can. I locked the door. Is this scenting nice? It's scenting nice. I'm just going to cover it again. Chef Fauzi. I want you to see my face so that you can see that it is actually me that is with the spoon and that is cooking this jollof spaghetti. I'm going to do an up close, so don't worry. You're going to see exactly what this looks like. So the spaghetti will soon be ready, and I put just a little water so that the spaghetti will not be too soft. You get, it's not really nice when spaghetti is too soft. Also, I'm here to add the sardine, the remaining fish, because I added half. That's how I like to do it. Why I call this spaghetti a low budget one is because it's just basically spaghetti, tomato paste, pepper mix, pepper onion mix, sardine, salt, pepper, salt, Maggi, sorry, and other spices, and that's it. Funny enough, I've not tasted this food though. Only God knows what it tastes like. Okay, what else I want to see? Okay, I don't have anything to say other than I dey cook when I won't cook. I dey cook. You get me? Ooh, I feel like it's burning already. Burning, burning and burning. Are you even seeing this beauty? Ooh. I'm not cooking the onions. I'm just going to let it steam up. So I'm done making the spaghetti. I just left it to steam the onions that I recently added. And I just want to shout out to you people that love cooking. I actually envy you guys that see cooking as a hobby, that, you know, enjoy it, you see it as fun. Because this thing is not fun. It's not. But you guys are trying. I won't even lie. If you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, why? Just click, tap, touch the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I'm a very terrible teacher, so I know I did not even take you guys along. I didn't tell you the steps and whatnot, but I can, you know, put it in the description box. It's actually nothing, but let me just feel like I'm giving a tutorial on how to cook, you know. I'm going to put the step by step of how I achieved my jollof spaghetti, the Nigerian jollof spaghetti, in the description box, so you can just read it, and I also add the ingredients that I used. So let me go and serve it and also get their genuine reaction. I don't know if they're going to eat now, but still. Time to dish spaghetti. With my terrible plating, so let me taste it. I mean, I'm cook now, so I have to eat it first. It's nice. Let me score myself. 8.5/10.
100/10. Minus 9. You sabi cook now. You not just like to do cook.
This is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe. And what else? All right, that's all. Bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.